So this is how you can get free TikTok followers by using this website. Watch this video till the end to learn how I did it. First, let me open TikTok and show you how many followers we have at the moment. As you can see right here, we have like 92 followers at the moment, but by the end of this video, you will see the number will change. Let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use any and go to this site called tickviral.com. Make sure you type it correctly. Now here you need to enter your username. Make sure you enter your username correctly or it won't work. Now it will connect to the username. Okay, now choose the amounts of followers you want. I will go with 5,000. Now this tool is going to access the TikTok servers and do its magic. Please wait till it's done. Okay, now here we need to verify our session. Just click on the Verify Now button below. Okay, at this point, you'll see that you need to complete any 2 tasks in order to unlock the code. It's super easy, just follow along with me. All you have to do is download and open any 2 of these apps and make sure you run each one for at least 30 seconds. Every offer has specific instructions, so read them carefully and be sure you follow the steps exactly, otherwise it won't work. Let's go ahead and complete one of these offers now and we'll make sure to follow all of the requirements. I'll fast forward this part since it can take a little while to finish. Once your chosen app is downloaded, be sure to open it up and run it as directed. This part is really important. Always make sure you do it properly. You can skip this part because completing the offer may take time, or if you want, you can just stay with me. And as you can see, the offer has now been successfully completed. Let's close out and open TikTok. And there it is. Look, you can see the followers are going up just like that. That's how you can get free TikTok followers with this easy method. The best part? It's totally safe and works for both Android and iOS devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.